What? You're okay?
I'm completely fine, just a little scratch here, but the whole frame is like twisted, so they think it's damaged beyond repair.
Major problem. We just had lunch and we took off, and 200 meters in, the front rack came off. It's completely ripped apart. It either needs to be welded or I have to find a replacement, which is not going to be that easy, neither of them. Merhaba. Temporary solution. Just trying to make it to the next town now. Supposedly there's an aluminium welder. Hopefully he can fix it. So, let me give you a quick update. This morning I replaced my brake pads, and while I was doing that I discovered that I had broken a spoke in my rear wheel. And therefore I decided to replace a lot of my weight from the back to the front in order to prevent any more problems from happening. Unfortunately, what happened instead is I created more problems because of all the weight in the front. My front rack broke. It just snapped right off and I was left with only one front rack. We were in a small town, no one could really help us, but eventually we found a car mechanic who was able to provide us with a temporary solution with just metal wire and tie wraps, and he showed us the way to a town where we are right now. It's really loud in here, so I hope you can hear me. And eventually we found this kind of industrial area with a lot of car mechanics around, and the guys in the back over there, they're trying to weld my front rack right now. So if that's gonna happen, then I'm a happy man again. Let's hope it's gonna work. Well, it seems to be pretty much fixed. I'm a lucky guy. He's doing the final touches right now, and then hopefully get back on the road again. Well, that problem is fixed. Super work by the guys here. They were really quick, really helpful, and can get back on the road again. 2.0. We're here now with Aykut, my new friend.
Hi.
Who's fixing my bike over there. So hopefully after today everything is fixed and we're ready to go to Trabzon. So rack is back on, sturdy as it can be. Got my spoke fixed, got a new chain, ready for the last stretch to Trabzon. Alright, and we're off to Trabzon, but as you can see I'm not on a bike anymore because we got flagged down by this truck driver. And we're having a little chai tea, of course, a little break, and then we'll continue our way. Yo man, you're okay? No, he took off. Yeah, but you're okay? Okay, just send me your live location and I'll come to reach you. Alright, I just got a call from Fred that a taxi driver just brake tested him for no reason, I don't know why. And he just slammed right into his back and then the taxi driver took off. He's okay, but the frame is broken apparently. I'm just going to reach him now. That's some unexpected turn again. What? You're okay?
I'm completely fine. Just a little scratch here, but the whole frame is like twisted, so they think it's damaged beyond repair.
So the only good thing about this whole situation is that it happened right in front of a big welding shop, as you can see behind me here. And they even make stuff for Airbus here, so they really know what they're doing. The guys just took a look at the bike and they're trying to weld it together now. Hopefully we can both make it to Trabzon. That would be amazing. Let's see how it goes. Well, Fred, what do you think?
It's amazing. Really well done by them. I'm excited to test it out again.
Let's go.
To the airport, please. How are you?
My man. Good morning from Trabzon, where I'm not only joined by Freddy, but also by Karim, one of my best mates from home. He's gonna join me in my adventure for the upcoming weeks. We don't know exactly where we're gonna end up. The plan is to go to Baku to his family, but the borders are still closed. We're trying to get a special permission. Not sure if that's gonna work out, but for sure we're gonna go to Georgia first, to Batumi, and enjoy some nice bike riding.
morning. We had a little bit of an unexpected visitor last night, the police, who woke us up with a whistle at 3:30, I think. And they gave us another few hours of sleep, but this morning they came again to say that we really had to leave. The owner of the property was coming. We haven't seen him yet, but we're now hurrying very much to get out and hopefully get away without any problems.
After 4.5 days of total cycling along the Black Sea coast, we finally arrived at the Georgian border, which also means that after 3,000 kilometers and 2 months of cycling in Turkey, it's time to say goodbye to the beautiful country. It's been an amazing experience, a lot of nice people, the landscapes were amazing. This is the reason why I do this. So, teşekkürler, güle güle, and off to Georgia. So there we go, crossed into country number 16, beautiful Georgia. First up, Batumi.
And having arrived in Georgia, we were preparing ourselves for some beautiful adventures in the Caucasus mountain range. But that is a story for next time. So that's it for this week, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi there, thank you for watching this video up until the end, and did you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down there or click on my face right there. It really helps me a lot, so thank you. I would also like to remind you that I am making this trip in order to raise money to build a school in Africa. For more information or donations, click on the school right next to my face. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on social media as well. Links down in the description below. See you next week.